Hello dear students, I am Laura Relis and today I am going to explain you the future with be going to. In this video I am going to show you when you can use the future with be going to and how to form it. So let's begin. The future with be going to is used for describe future plans and future intentions. It's important to say that we have to be sure that these plans and these intentions are going to be real. El futuro con be going to lo utilizamos para describir planes futuros o intenciones futuras. Es importante decir que estos planes o estas intenciones van a ser reales o se van a cumplir. Here I have 3 examples with be going to. The first one. On Sunday, I am going to make the breakfast for my family. On Sunday, el domingo. El domingo yo voy a hacer el desayuno para mi familia. Next week, Miss Laura is going to plan new activities for the students. Next week. La próxima semana, Miss Laura va a planear nuevas actividades para los estudiantes. Tomorrow, I am going to do the virtual activities. Tomorrow, mañana, yo voy a realizar las actividades virtuales. On Sunday, next week, and tomorrow are time expressions that you can use with the future with be going to. On Sunday, next week, and tomorrow son expresiones de tiempo que podemos utilizar con el futuro be going to. Here I have a list with other time expressions. Tomorrow, mañana. Tomorrow morning, mañana en la mañana. Tomorrow afternoon, mañana en la tarde. Next week, próxima semana. Next month, el próximo mes. Next year, el próximo año. On plus days of the week. On más días de la semana. For example, on Monday, el lunes. On Friday, el viernes. On Sunday, el domingo. That's right. When we use the future with be going to, it's important to know very well the verb to be. For this reason, we are going to review it again. Para poder utilizar el be going to, es importante que recordemos muy bien el uso del verbo to be. Y lo vamos a repasar nuevamente. The verb to be is divided in 3 forms. Am, is, and are. That's right. Remember, am goes with the pronoun I. I am. Is go with singular pronouns like he, she, and it. He is, she is, it is. And finally, are go with plural pronouns. We, you, and they. We are, you are, and they are. Okay? So let's continue with the structures. Ahora vamos a continuar con las estructuras. The first structure is affirmative form. For this, I'm going to use this example. Tomorrow afternoon, I am going to play video games with my friends. Mañana en la tarde, yo voy a jugar videojuegos con mis amigos. First, we have to have a pronoun, un pronombre, I. Then, we continue with the verb to be am, is, and, or are. Vamos a seguir con el verbo to be, entonces seguimos con am. Then, going to, verb in present, in this case, play, and the complement, video games with my friends. Very good. The negative form, with this example. Tomorrow afternoon, I am not going to play video games with my friends because I am going to do my homework. Mañana en la tarde yo no voy a jugar videojuegos porque voy a hacer la tarea. Let's see the structure. First, pronoun, pronombre, I. Then, verb to be in negative. In this case, I'm not. Okay, I'm not. Then, going to, verb in present, play, and the complement, video games with my friends. Okay? Here I have other sentence with going to. Aquí tenemos otra oración con going to, pero esta es affirmative. Okay? Let's continue. Finally, interrogative form. Para finalizar, forma interrogativa. With this example, what are you going to do tomorrow afternoon? ¿Qué vas a hacer mañana en la tarde? Okay. First, we have WH. WH, what? Then, the verb to be. Here, the verb to be is are. Then, the pronoun you. Going to, verb in present, do. Complement, tomorrow afternoon. And the question mark, because it's a question. Okay? So, what are you going to do tomorrow afternoon? ¿Qué vas a hacer mañana en la tarde? I am going to play video games. Yo voy a jugar videojuegos. Okay, dear students, that's all for today. Thanks for your attention and don't forget to take notes. Bye-bye.